That's what I thought. Hey guys, Audrey bought me a package. Let's see what I got. Audrey package. Mr. Chicken? Look, I got a Mr. Chicken. Hey, Mr. Chicken, what doing? I got me a Mr. Chicken. Hey, Mr. Bunny Feet, want to see my chicken? Do you like my chicken, Mr. Bunny Feet? Look there. Hi, Mr. Chicken. You want to cook some eggies? I'll be right back. Let me go get some eggs. I just need to get the eggies out. Alright, where are the eggies? Oh, there they are. I found them. Alright, Mr. Chicken. I got the eggs. You hungry now? Let's see if I can get them open. No! 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 They look good? Here, I'll show you, Mr. Chicken. Look. Go sit on your table. Oh, Mr. Eggies, you're almost done. I think the chicken's really hungry. Ew, it's running. Ew. Alright, all done. Alright, Mr. Chicken, eat your eggies. Eat your eggies. You don't want your eggies? They look really good. Maybe you need some help. Alright, Mr. Chicken, let me help you. Mr. Bonfire, what are you doing? Hello, Mr. Kitty Cat. Hey, Mr. Chicken, you ready for your milkshake? Let me get some eggs. Drop them in there. Get another egg. Throw it in there. Get another egg. How many eggs should we use? A lot of eggs. I'm gonna take the cap off. Mr. Chicken, I think your milkshake's all done. Want a sip? You like your eggy milkshake? I think he likes it. How about an omelet? I can make a Jeffrey special omelet. I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna make my world famous omelet. It's a chocolate chip and catnip omelet. First I'm gonna add the eggies. Funky Aggie! Oh! 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 get a chocolate chip. And finally, catnip. It's missing something. Popcorn? World famous chocolate chip and catnip omelet with a side of popcorn. Ew! Looks like poop. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't want anymore. Nope. Let me see how many eggies I have left. One, Mr. Eggy. Two, Mr. Eggy. Three, Mr. Eggy. Who's at the door? Let's see who's at the door. Hello?
Just a minute, Squeaky Donkey. It's all yours, Squeaky Donkey.
Hey guys, it's Jeffy Make sure you like and subscribe to the video.